Hope the wind isn't messing us up too bad. That there is a Kildeer, or also I've heard it called a Kildeer, but that's a bird that builds their nests on the ground in rocky, flat areas. Now that bird is running away because its nest is over there. Where did he go? I can't see. There he goes. She. It's actually a she. There she is. And she wants me to follow her away from the nest. I've never seen one go that far away. But she, sorry about the bumpy camera. Got you zoomed in, but she should be doing the broken wing thing. Like, ow, my wing's broken. Come get me. I'm helpless. Oh, there it is. See, it gets into a hollow and spreads its wings. You can see that orange part. It wants you to see it. So you come and investigate. But I know what it's up to. I'll show you its nest. And the eggs are just speckled. They have 4 of them. They put them in there with the points going towards the center. And they're well camouflaged. You really can't see them. Oh. There. That might be the female there. See it? See her running away from the nest? See, oh, ow, my wing's broken. My wing's broken, don't hurt me. See, running away from the nest. Oh no. I want you to get far away from the nest. All right, let's see if I can find the nest without stepping on it. Because once they're out away from them, you just about can't see them. All the eggs tucked in there with a bunch of wood chips around it. It's just right out here in the middle of nowhere. You step away from it and you just can't see it. So I gotta move some of this concrete around, so you know what I'm gonna use.